Hey guys, here back again with a Dragon Ball Super Critical Blow pack. First pack ever that I'm gonna open for Dragon Ball Super or Dragon Ball in general. I used to collect these guys when I was maybe like 10, 11 years old, so a while back. I don't know if there's card tricks to these guys, but let's go into it. Demonic Blade. What the heck? They're sideways. Dr. Hedo's Laboratory. Oh, that goes back the other way. Fu is scheme set into motion. Hey Fu. Son Goku, combination attack in hell. Psyche Demon, neglect of duty. Another Son Goku. Super Saiyan Son Goten, building up power. Piccolo, bestowed power. Upa. Got a Mercenary Tao, an assassin to overcome. Veku, come back from defeat. Fat Gotenks? Yeah. Oh, this is dope. And a Son Gohan Beast Roar. Whoa, dude, these have rarity? What the heck is this? That's sweet. The last card, yeah, it is. This is nice. Good first pack magic. Throw it in the sleeve real quick. Someone can comment me down below where the rarity symbols are at. Oh, right here, SR. So it's like a. I tore the packaging up. I don't know what that means. Is it a super, special, or secret rare? We'll find out. Thank you guys.